What did you just ask her?
Is that my camera?
Do the shorts hurt my butt?
Is that my camera? Did you look at my pictures?
No. This is my camera. Where are you going? What are you doing? Jacob, pretend to be Sadie. No, I mean like the hillbilly Sadie.
Wait, what did she say?
She's like, oh, sorry.
Oh, wait, you know, my mom was saying she's gonna make some blood pop tonight.
Yeah, that was my fake laugh, you guys.
I guess you put it money to wonder we know and the baby blow bar tonight.
What the hell was that? Jacob, you're ew. I almost walked into that. Hey, hello. Oh my god, I just looked at that. Ugh.
It's not that
I'm
bad.
gonna throw up.
Just sucking some dick, spitting out some cum.
Are you still imitating Sadie? I can't tell. Oh.
That's Paulina, sorry.
And Dahlia. Oh.
Oh, that's funny. You look like a Barbie with that pink purse. Is that your Barbie purse?